I wasn't really planning on filming today, hence the pyjama attire. But I am going to London next week when I'm filming this, which is the 2nd of July, and I thought I'd film how I pack my clothes and things, or how I put outfits together ready to pack, purely because I tend to overpack. Like, say I'm going 7 days, I'll pack for like 9 days in case something happens, which yes is good, but also means that your suitcase is a lot heavier. Might be able to see back there, I've got a few ironing bits. I've pretty much spent the last 2 hours ironing all the clothes that I might take with me. And yeah, I just thought I'd film this video because I thought it would be fun. So we will see how that will turn out. But anyway, let's just get on with it. Please excuse my fan, it is way too hot to turn it off, and I don't want to open the windows because then you'll hear all the background noise. So hopefully that isn't too loud. I'm going to raise my voice a little bit. I don't know why I started to pronounce my T's a lot better than I usually do. What was I saying? Yeah, anyway, I am going to try and put some outfits together. So my clothes aren't in a wardrobe at the moment because I don't have a wardrobe at the moment, so it's literally just on a clothing rack over there. So I mean, I can pretty much see stuff that I want, and I kind of already have an idea of what I want to take, but it's like 20 something in Norwich at the moment, which means it's going to be a few degrees higher in London, so I need to pack as if I'm like going on holiday somewhere. I don't have enough summer clothes for this weather, so I've just got to try and throw stuff together and hopefully it'll work out. So this is my wardrobe at the moment. I have got like jackets and things out in the on the landing, but obviously I'm not really going to need a jacket, I'm just going to take one in case. I've also got some bits hanging on my door as well here. So yes, my plan is to take like trousers that I can wear for about 2 days, and then just like swap the top out. So I'm thinking these trousers, which I got from Wish. I have filmed a video on that. I'm not entirely sure when that's going to go up yet because I'm kind of scheduling videos week by week, so hopefully it might either be out yet or it might be up after this video. Either way, I'll link it in the description box. But anyway, I'm going to take these. This I don't really need. These are some like sleeve things. Put them on the side. So I think this would most likely go, well, I've got 2 tops. I can literally just wear this strappy top that's just fallen off, which I got from Primark. This and this will go together quite nicely. This is just a plain black crop top and some cargo pants. They'll look pretty cool together. I've got like the same sort of top, except this is more of a cottony material and the other one's more elasticated, and obviously that will go with that as well. And then I've also got a t-shirt, which if I'm just like about the house, which it tends to be cooler inside, so I don't really have to worry about anything crazy. I've got 2 options, so it's this black t-shirt which I got off Throwback Tees, and this is just a Gunther one, or I have a yellow Carlton one, which I'm not entirely sure what one will go better. I'm gonna say the orange, so I've got my Gunther one as well. I've also got this crop top, which is like the cotton black one, which I could probably wear with, I won't go cargo pants again, I don't want anything too crazy, like this maybe. I'm like right in front of my mirror. I don't think, no, too much pattern. I might just do it with some plain black jeans. Like this crop top and my not so black anymore ripped jeans from Topshop, which is fine. These jeans aren't too crazy because there's like a rip in them as well. If you get a little air to your knees. I'm gonna take these striped cotton trousers, which I got off a shop when I went to the seaside. I can't even remember where I went. But these with, if I go for like a plain white top with this white crop top from Primark as well. So this is just the pile that I've created. I try and pop them together so it makes sense. So it would be, we leave on the Sunday, so I already have something on then, so I don't have to worry about that. So it'll be Monday, say like this and this, and then Tuesday another crop top, Wednesday t-shirt, Thursday these ripped jeans and this crop top, Friday this crop top with these, and I just need to come up with 2 more outfits. I think, I know this might seem a bit weird, but this was a pyjama set that I got from Primark last year, I think, and I wore it as a pyjama set for like once and haven't really worn it again. Maybe, because this is quite thin, because this is like a fake silk material, maybe like this as like a co-ord set with this underneath would look quite cool for Saturday, because I'm trying to like dress things in case I end up going out with family for dinner or something as well. So that for Saturday, and then something for travelling back on Sunday. I can literally just put together a pair of leggings and this. I absolutely love this t-shirt off ASOS. It's a Daisy Street design and just really baggy and comfortable. I think that's what I've decided, and then I just need to put pyjamas together. Got my clothes sorted, I need to figure out shoes. So I don't really own many sandals. I think I have a couple pairs of sliders. I might have some flip-flops somewhere, but most of my shoes are like trainers, boots, and like full shoes. I think I have one black pair of sandals, but they're not massively comfortable. So I guess we've now got to go downstairs because my shoes are not in many boxes. Some are in boxes and some are in a bin bag, so I've got to fish through that. So welcome to half of my shoe area. I've got some pairs in here. I've still got a pair of brown boots that I keep wearing. Because I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to be doing. I'm trying to just stay to maximum comfort and things I can actually wear for a long period of time. So I've got a pair of Puma trainers, which I guess would go with the striped crop top and the jeans because they're light and these are comfortable, and I could most likely wear them going there. Got a pair of pink sliders, but sometimes they tend to slide off my feet. So I'm thinking, honestly, I don't know what I'm thinking. I really don't know what to do shoe-wise. Because the thing is, here I tend to wear quite a few boots and things. But obviously, I can't really wear boots there. And also, I stupidly wore some new shoes in the city yesterday. So I have currently got a couple of blisters. So if they don't heal up on time, I don't really want to be in a lot of pain. I could wear... Okay, so these are the other sandals that I was talking about. They're quite flat, like thin bottom, and I'm quite heavy on my feet, so I could not wear these for a long time at all because my feet, I couldn't really stand on them. I have not worn these shoes before because they didn't fit me for so long. I don't even know if they do fit me still. But these are from Topshop. My dad got them for me. Okay, they do fit quite well. Ouch, blister. Okay. I'm gonna have to take some plasters with me. And my foot leans that way. What the hell are wrong with my feet? Okay, but these fit, I can most likely wear these with the cargo trousers. They fit when I've got socks on. Okay, they're a bit loose, but I think I've got insoles somewhere. So I can take these, and they're quite spongy on the inside, so I should be alright. And then I've just got a pair of sliders, which I got from Primark. These are super comfortable. I'm not going to pack these yet because I wear them pretty much every day, and when I go out in the garden they are chewed up from one of my rabbits. But these are super comfortable, so I think they're the 3 pairs of shoes I'm going to take. Unless, what have I got in this box? What are they? Oh yeah, they're my white ones. They might be better. Okay, so I think I'm going to swap these ones. They are very tatty, but these are some plain white trainers that I got from Primark. And they're going to be a bit cooler because they're white, so obviously the heat hopefully won't be too crazy. So now that I know what shoes I'm taking, what outfits I'm taking, I'm just going to quickly pack them. I might as well just show you how I like to pack them personally. I'm not going to pack my whole suitcase yet, only like a few bits because I still have to use some stuff that I need to pack. But I just thought I might as well show you how I pack my clothing. So yes, this is quite a big suitcase to only be taking for a week, but I do have some presents that I'm taking as well, hence why it is this big, so the paper doesn't get ripped and stuff that I bought doesn't get crushed. So I have also brought down some socks, a bag that I'm taking, and the jacket that I'm taking, because I thought I might as well put that in here as well. So I think I'm gonna put them in as the outfits so that I don't have to fish through it and everything, so I can literally just pull the outfit out as the days go. I did also bring down some accessories. I might kind of shove them in between the clothes so they don't get broken. But it's just kind of figuring it out as I go along. Next I'm going to move on to packing my accessories, shoes, that stuff. So when I say accessories, I literally just mean sunglasses, because I don't really wear much jewellery. I'm going to take 3 pairs. One is this yellow pair which I got off Wish, which I love and goes with the outfit with the cargo pants. And then the other pair are these slick fashion glasses from ASOS, which will go with all the outfits, and then I've got another pair which again I wear all the time, so I will pack. I most likely won't even need to pack it because I'll probably wear it when we go. But I've got the little, what are they called? Sunglasses cases that go with it. So I'm just going to pop them in there, and I'm going to take this little bum bag that I got from Foot Locker in New York, just because it's easier if I'm not going like anywhere too crazy, so I can literally just put my purse or whatever I need in there. And I'm going to use this as a way, one, to store one pair of socks. These are some Squidward ones that I've got, and I'm going to put my sunglasses in there as well, so it's going to stop them from getting damaged hopefully. And then my spare little case that can just tuck on there. For shoes, for them to keep their shape, it is a good little tip to tuck your socks in as like the little things that help it keep its shape. I don't know what they're called, but you know, the little paper things that screw up and that you get in shoes. That way you're maximising your storage, and you don't have to worry about your shoes getting flattened. I've just got my spare pair of slippers which can just get shoved on the top, and then I've got this little corner, I don't know if you can see it, this corner here to put all my other little bits, and then I've just got loads of little spaces in between for any like fragile bits, like underwear that can be rolled up and tucked in. So I've just got space, and then obviously I've also got the little zip bit at the other side. That is how I like to pack my suitcase, or my clothes into my suitcase whenever I go away. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!